Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by redeeming the Apple gift card into your Apple ID so the balance becomes spendable. Open the App Store, tap your avatar, choose Redeem Gift Card or Code, and enter the code or scan the barcode. This makes funds available to Apple Pay. Once done, make sure that same Apple ID is the one logged into the Meta Quest mobile app on your iPhone, because the purchase route depends on using iOS payments tied to that account. You now make the purchase through the Meta Quest mobile app so Apple Pay can be used. Open the app, sign into your Meta/Oculus account that's linked to the Quest 2, and locate the game or content. Tap Buy, then when payment options appear, choose Apple Pay. The system will try to charge your Apple ID balance first. Confirm the transaction with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This routes the Apple gift card dollars into the Quest purchase via iOS payments. Once the purchase completes on your phone, sync the Quest 2 by opening the headset and checking library. Your app should appear and be ready to install. If it does not, verify the Apple ID balance, confirm your iOS region and payment settings, and ensure the Meta Quest app has in-app purchase permissions. If something still goes wrong, restart both devices, sign out and back into accounts. And as a last resort, contact Apple or Meta support for payment logs and resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.